Hello and welcome one more time to Design by Riveras. My name is Luis Rivera and my model, my dear wife, Dilandia. On today's video, we are doing review of four of the main product of this next brand, Hard Candy. If you want to see the eye look, you can go to our social media and Instagram, IGTV, Facebook, Twitter, and all our YouTube channel, Latin and English. In Latin, we have our channel, Los Rivera. We are waiting for you there where you can find a different surprises. And remember, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and click in the notification bell so you can receive notification after we upload every new video. Let's start with this video. Like we talked in previous videos, preparation is the more important. And this brand is something very interesting they have. They have some preparation products, and here we are presenting to you so you can see how we apply. And the order you see in the video is the order we apply on the skin, which will help you supposedly to have a long wear makeup, minimize your pore, and give you this blur and smooth skin at the final look. Try to apply this, and the way I do normally is of course with my hands because it's Dilandia. But at this time, be clean and try to apply better with brushes. It's the more hygienic way to do it. Now, let's try to set up the skin of Dilandia to have a beautiful canvas and clean skin, and try to make sure to let dry and set up the primers on the skin of your model, or in case if you are doing for you on yourself. Let's continue with the first eye product we are working. This is the eyeliner pencil, which I will say at the beginning I was doubting this product will work because I was thinking it's a little sheer. No matter what, still I can see the color and the application. But what I will tell you is after I apply the second layer, the beautiful of the dry and the way work is very good. And the only thing I am a little uncomfortable was that I need to apply 2 layers. If I can apply this in 1 layer like other brands, I think so this can be a good dupe for the Tarte. The Kitty Cat is very beautiful, really is a very deep black, and you can create these graphic lines. And if you have the ability to create perfect liners in your eyes, that will make you very happy. And it's not that expensive. Check all the description of this and the link we are giving you down below, and you can see where you can buy and where you can find it. Now continue with the preparation of the skin. Like if you see my videos previous, I like to do the eye first and then the skin, where now I done the eyes, and here I start doing the preparation of the under eye skin with this product. I will say create a very nice plump skin, like whatever primer I apply and whatever part of the skin when I do a makeup, even in the neck or in the area of the chest, I like to give a time so they can set up and give me the result this product offers. And here is the foundation. For bad luck, what I don't like is they don't have too much shades. And for Delandia skin, for example, like right now we are in the winter and the time we are doing this video, she is come to be more pale. Then we cannot find shades in between to we can match a perfect skin. Then you will see when I apply the foundation on her, she look very white. But I can tell you the application of this product is very nice. It's not full cover, but give you a very beautiful setting final look on the skin without setting powder. That means if you know how to work and blend products, you can create a beautiful dewy skin. For other side, is very light, blend very good. What I will do, and I did it with this product and you will see in the future fast, is I work the tone with the contouring product they have for the skin color preparation. And here is about what I am talking. This stick with two different sizes. One is for contouring and shadow and the other is the highlighter. I can say it's one of the more beautiful sticks I work because it is like a butter on your skin and work very beautiful with the previous product with the foundation and create a beautiful shadow, nothing too harsh and nothing too light. I think so they did an amazing job with this, and it's a good price product, you can create a beautiful, even after this you don't need a blush. If you like a very natural look, is the perfect product you can create this kind of dewy and everyday look. Let's move on to the setting area, and this area is the loose powder they have, and I can tell you they have a very small group of shades of loose powder, but I am satisfied. It's not the best, it's not the worst, it's worth it for setting your areas. In my case, I don't like to use too much of these products, no matter what is the brand, because I don't like the caking, effect on the skin. I like more like a natural glowy skin. Then I am happy with what I received with this for the price. And I think so the formula worked very good. You will see the only area I bake is the area where I know already Delandia can have a little excess of oily moment during the day, because we are going to do the test for more than 8 hours so you can see the before and after and how work for long wear. Now we have a second eye product, but I will tell you, I am not going to review nothing about this because once I came to use it, I forget I have this product and I don't do in one look. This product don't work for what I am doing because that duo pencil is supposed to be using by themselves and then it's not work with what I was doing. But I have the duo lipstick pencil, which come with one side with a beautiful holographic lipstick and on the other side a beautiful and gorgeous gloss, a little metallic and with glitter look. You can see the color I select is more like a natural, more like a peachy orangey look. But once I apply the lipstick, I do in reverse. I know some people will use first the lipstick and later the gloss. I like to do this because then she can hold the lipstick for more longer, the look, and especially now people using masks, then it's easy to get out. You see when I apply the lipstick how beautiful that holographic effect come on top. I love it. That is the way I find this brand. And now here is the final look with all the products we use from this brand. What I can tell you, I use only different brands for the eye look. Okay, the rest is most what you can see in this video and the products you see here. Practically the full makeup is done by the brand I am doing review. I think so. The product for be a drugstore and a store retail is not bad really. For I almost expend less than $100 and I take a lot products, then I think so it's not a bad product. Next you will see the before and after and you can see the different how the skin look complete different with the primers. And I will start advancing because the video will run a little fast and almost done. I can tell you the skin long lasts very good and most of the day look very fresh. She sweat, she did it a lot and you can see this is a video we did it at the end of the day, almost at the night, and she don't have almost breakout. Only in the area she have a little breakout was in the area of the under eye, but very light, almost near to the waterline, and maybe that can be because Dylandia use contact lens. And but for the rest, if you see in the picture on the left, you see the eye to the right side is where she looked exactly without retouch, and I retouched the left side and it's almost fresh like in the morning when I did it the first makeup. I think so if I had to rate this makeup brand, I will give really a 7 of 10 because the long wear is very good and the setting and especially the primers are amazing. Thank you to be with us, and remember subscribe, share and like and click on the notification bell, and remember to visit us in all our social media. And thank you one more time. We are Designed by Riveras. Bye.